Hi, welcome to another dumbbell workout. This is session 6 out of 6 that's part of our 12-week program. The 12-week program, if you want to find out a little bit more about it and the 5 previous sessions, check out the link in the description for those other workouts. Please make sure that you've done a warm-up before you start this session. Now, your first exercise I'm going to show you is a reverse lunge. I'm going to show you the other 2 exercises as well, and make sure you know your sets and your reps as per the other workouts that we've done. So, reverse lunge. So, grab a set of dumbbells. Now, your reverse lunge on a 3-1 tempo, you've got to make sure that for 1 second you're kind of hovering the leg in the air. 3, 2, 1, back up, stand up nice and quick. Let me show you again. 3, 2, 1, stand. So 3, 1, you're going to do 8 reps on the left and then 8 reps on the right. You're then going to put the weights down, take a minute recovery, and then for the next 3 sets, you're going to build up the weights incrementally. So bit by bit, increase the weight that you do. When you get to your 4th set, this is where the real work starts. So back on that 3-1 tempo, you're going to do a failure set on the left-hand side. So 3 seconds, and then back up. How many reps can you do? As soon as you fail or your form deteriorates, you're going to stop, set the timer to 20 seconds. After 15, pick the weights back up and do a further 3 reps as what we call a micro set. And then you come down and then come back up. Once you've done that, you put the weights down, you'll do anything between 1 and 5 micro sets. If you get to 5, the weight was too light from the beginning. You might only get 2 or 3 sets out and then record the total number of reps that you did in that final set and how much weight you lifted, and that's your first exercise. Your second exercise is a dumbbell pullover. So with a dumbbell pullover, sat onto a flat bench, we're going to be working your lats or your back. So you reverse the grip into a butterfly, and all we're doing is working for the first 2 sets on a 3-1 tempo. Watch me. So 3 down, 1 up, 8 reps. Once you've done that, recover for 60 seconds or so. And again, you're building up the weight for the first 3 sets. On the 3rd set, we're going to add in that 2-second stretch and slow down the negative, eccentrically loading a little bit heavier. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause, and then lift back up. And you're doing as many reps as you possibly can. And then again, don't forget to record the amount of reps and the weight that you lift, so that when you go into week 2, you know exactly kind of what you're aiming for. And your final exercise of the program, one of my favorites, is the dumbbell snatch. You're going to start off with 2 sets of 8 repetitions as your 2 warm-up sets, and then your final one to failure. What does a dumbbell snatch look like? So, because you're using your lower body and your upper body, you can lift quite a lot of weight. You want to make sure that as you're coming down to the floor, just like you would in a deadlift, you keep your back nice and flat. It's the legs that are powering it over your body, and then your shoulder that's stabilizing it at the top. So you can lift, and it's a pull, and we catch at the top. Control it down. The back is still flat, and you're doing 8 reps. So you got your 8 reps, you do the left, and then you do your right. And then on your final set, we're going to use that rest pause one more time. You do a failure set, or where your form starts deteriorating. Rest 20 seconds, and then go again for a micro set of 3 reps. If you can't get 3 reps, or you're struggling to get 3 reps, stop. count that as your failure set. And that's the 6th session. It's a short session, that one. I hope you've enjoyed the sessions. I'd love some feedback from you, how you got on, how you're getting on. Are you following the 12 weeks in full? What kind of differences have you noticed? I'd love to let me know. Give me some feedback in the comments. It'd be fantastic. If you've got any questions, then obviously just please ask away. Make sure you stretch before you finish this workout, and then enjoy week 2. Goodbye.